Good morning students. 12th Maths, Chapter 2, Complex Numbers, Exercise 2.1, Summation n to 1, n equal to 1 to 10, I power n plus 15. So I power 1 plus 15 plus I power 2 plus 15 plus I power 3 plus 50 plus I power 4 plus 50 plus I power 5 plus 50 plus I power 6 plus 50 plus I power 7 plus 50 plus I power 8 plus 50 plus I power 9 plus 50 plus I power 10 plus 50. So equal to, we can write this I power 1 plus 50, I power 1 into I power 50 plus I power 2 into I power 50 plus I power 3 into I power 50 plus I power 4 into I power 50 plus I power 5 into I power 50 plus I power 6 into I power 50 plus I power 7 into I power 50 plus I power 8 into I power 50 plus I power 9 into I power 50 plus I power 10 into I power 50. So in this term, so I power 50 is common. We can take I power 50 outside. That's equal to I power 50 into I power 1 plus I power 2 plus I power 3 plus I power 4 plus I power 5 plus I power 6 plus I power 7 plus I power 8 plus I power 9 plus I power 10. So that's equal to I power 50 into I power 1 plus I power 2 plus I power 3 plus I power 4 plus we can write I power 5 as I power 4 into I power 1 plus I power 4 into I power 2 plus I power 4 into I power 3 plus I power 4 into I power 4 plus I power 9. You can write I power 4 into I power 4 into I power 1 plus I power 4 into I power 4 into I power 2. So now we can change these terms. I power 4, the value is 1. So that's equal to, so I power 50, we can divide this 50 by 4. So 1 4 is 4. 9 to 1, here 0. 2. So 4 2s are 8. So remainder 2. You can write I power 4 into 12 plus 2 into I power 1, the value is I square, the value is minus 1. So minus 1 I cube value is minus I plus 1 plus I power 4 the value is 1. So I power 1 value is I here I square minus 1 I cube value is minus I plus I power 4 into I power 4 the value is 1 plus I power 4 value is 1 into I power 1. So the value is I plus I power 4 into I power 4 value is 1 into I square the value is minus 1. That's equal to, we can write I power 4 the whole power 12 into I square into term becomes 0 plus 0 plus here I minus 1. That's equal to, here the value is 1. The value is I square. I square the value is minus 1. So minus 1 into I minus 1. So that's equal to minus into I minus I plus 1. So the answer is 1 minus I. So now we can move to the next topic, complex numbers. So in this complex numbers we have 3 topics. First one is rectangular form. Second one is orange plane. Third one is arithmetic operations. Operations on complex numbers. Let's move to the first topic, that is rectangular form. So in the rectangular form, the complex number is z equal to x plus I y. So x and y are the complex values, that is x is the real part and y is the imaginary part. Here x is the real part, y is the imaginary part. So z1 equal to x plus x1 plus iy1, z2 equal to x2 plus iy2. Both these values should be equal. So the real value of real part of z1 is equal to real part of z2 and imaginary part of Z1 is equal to imaginary part of Z2. That is, in the rectangular form, Z equal to x plus iy. X is the real part and y is the imaginary part. So Z1 equal to x1 plus I y1. So Z2 equal to x2 plus I y2. So the real part of Z1 is equal to the real part of Z2. The imaginary part of Z1 is equal to imaginary part of Z2. Next we move to second part, that is argent plane. Say the argent plane illustration 2 point illustration 2.1. So some complex numbers are given. Two plus I minus 1 plus 2I, 3 minus 2I, 0 minus 2I, 3 plus root of minus 2, minus 2 minus 3I, cos pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 6, and 3 plus 0I. By using this complex number, we can find the argent plane. So we have the graph. So this is real part and this is imaginary part. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Here, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can plot the points. We can plot first, second, third, and this part. Okay. So 2 plus I. The real part 2 is here. Imaginary part the value is 1. So 2, 1. This part. So 2 plus I. Then minus 1 plus 2I. Minus 1 in the real part. Real part minus 1 is here. And the imaginary part 2. So in this place. Minus 1 plus 2I. So next 3 minus 2I. 3 in the real part. Minus 2 in the imaginary part. 3. Here minus 2. So 3 minus 2I. So minus 2 minus 3I. Minus 2 here. Minus 3I is here. So minus 2 minus 3I. We can draw the line. So this is the argent plane. So first value is the real part value and second value is the imaginary part value. kz equal to kx plus ky I. Addition of complex numbers. Z1 plus Z2 equal to x1 plus x2 plus I into y1 plus y2. Subtraction of complex numbers. So Z1 minus Z2 equal to x1 minus x2 plus I into y1 minus y2. Multiplication of complex numbers. So Z1 Z2 equal to x1 x2 minus y1 y2 plus I into x1 y2 plus x2 y1. So these are the four complex numbers, arithmetic operations on complex numbers. Scalar complex number, that is k is equal to kx plus ky I. Addition of complex numbers, z1 plus z2 equal to x1 plus x2 plus I into y1 plus y2. Subtraction of complex numbers, z1 minus z2 equal to x1 minus x2 plus I into y1 minus y2. Multiplication of complex numbers, so z1 into z2 equal to x1 x2 minus y1 y2 and plus I into x1 y2 plus x2 y1. Illustration 2.2. First one, is it equal to 6 plus 7x and is it 2 equal to 3 minus 5i. Find z1 plus z2 and z1 minus z2. So first we can find z1 plus z2. So z1 plus z2 equal to z1 6 plus 7i plus z2 value 3 minus 5i equal to 6 plus 7i plus 3 minus 5i. We can add the like terms. 6 plus 3, 9, 7 minus 5 plus 2i. So next we find z1 minus z2. z1 minus z2 equal to z1 value 6 plus 7i minus 3 minus 5i equal to 6 plus 7i minus 3 minus into minus plus. So plus 5i. Add the like terms. So 6 minus 3, 3, 7 plus 5, 12. 12i. Second question, z1 equal to 2 plus 3i and z2 equal to 4 plus 7i. Find Z1 into Z2. So Z1 into Z2 equal to 2 plus 3i into Z2 value 4 plus 7i. So multiply 2 into 4, 8, then 2 into 7 plus 14i plus 3 into 3i into 4, 12i plus 3 sevens are 21 into I square equal to 8 plus 14i plus 12i. Here I square value is minus 1. So minus 21 equal to 8 minus 21 plus I into 14 plus 12. That's equal to minus 13 plus 26i. This is the answer. Example 2.2. So find the value of the real numbers x and y if the complex numbers I into x plus 1 minus I into y plus 2i minus 3 and x plus minus 1 plus 2i into y plus 1 plus I are equal. Solution. So find the value of the real numbers x and y if the complex numbers is given. Two numbers are given or equal. That is z1 and z2 are equal. We can take this term as z1 and this term as z2. So z1 equal to 2 plus I into x plus 1 minus I into y plus 2i minus 3. Z2 equal to x plus minus 1 plus 2i y plus 1 plus I. So Z1 is equal to Z2. Okay. So first we can find Z1 values. Z1 equal to, so 2 into 2x, 2 plus I into x plus 1 minus I into y plus 2I minus 3. That's equal to, multiply this x inside, so 2x plus ix plus y minus iy plus 2i minus 3. That's equal to 2x. So we can combine the real part and imaginary part together. First we combine the real part. So 2x plus y plus 2 minus 3 plus I into x minus y plus 2. This is Z1 value, then Z2 equal to x plus minus 1 plus 2i into y plus 1 plus I. That's equal to x plus multiply. So minus y plus 2yi plus 1 plus I. So that's equal to, we can combine the real part and imaginary part. So x minus y plus 1 plus I into 2y plus 1. So this is Z2. So we have the condition with Z1 is equal to Z2. We can equate both the values. So 2x plus y minus 3 plus I into x plus x minus y plus 2 is equal to x minus y plus 1 plus I into 2y plus 1. Now we can equate the real part and imaginary part. Equating real part and imaginary part. So equating real part and imaginary part, we get the terms. So 2x plus y minus 3 is equal to x minus y plus 1. So 2x we can take in one side, 2x plus y minus 3 minus x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. So 2x minus x value is x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So x plus 2y equal to 4. Take this as equation 1. Next we can equate imaginary part. So x minus y plus 2 equal to 2y plus 1. So change the sign, x minus y minus 2y equal to 1 minus 2. So 2x minus 3y equal to minus 1. 1 minus 2, the value is minus 1. Take this as equation 2. Next we have to solve both the equation and find the xy value. Take equation 1. So x plus 2y is equal to 4. Equation 2, x minus 3y equal to minus 1. So change the sign here, plus. So x minus x, the value is 0. So 2 plus 3. So 5, y equal to, here the value is 5. So y is equal to 5 divided by 5. So y value is 1. So we can substitute this y value in any one equation. So substitute y equal to 1 in equation 1. So x plus 2y equal to 4. So x plus 2 into 1 equal to 4. So x equal to 4 minus 2. So x equal to 4 minus 2, the value is 2. So the answer is x equal to 2, y is equal to 1. Next question. So exercise 2.2. So evaluate the following. If z equal to 5 minus 2i and w equal to minus 1 plus 3i. So first subdivision, z plus w. So solution, so z plus w equal to I minus 2i plus y is w value is minus 1 plus 3i equal to 5 minus 2i minus 1 plus 3i. That's equal to, so 5 minus 1, the value is 4, minus 2 plus 3, the value is 1 plus I. So this is the first answer. So second subdivision. Second subdivision, z minus I w. Solution, so z minus I w equal to, z value is 5 minus 2i minus I into w value is minus 1 plus 3i. Okay, that's equal to 5 minus 2i, multiply this minus I inside this term, so minus I into plus 1, the value is plus I, minus into plus minus 3i square equal to 5 minus 2i plus I square, the value is minus 1, so minus 3 into minus 1 equal to 5 minus 2i plus I minus the minus plus 4. That's equal to 5 plus 4, the value is 9 minus 2 minus 1, value is minus 1. 9 minus I. This is the answer. So z minus I w, the answer is 9 minus I. Third subdivision, 2z plus 3w. Solution, so 2z plus 3w equal to 2 into z value is 5 minus 2i plus 3 into w value is minus 1 plus 3i equal to, multiply 2 into 5, 10 minus 2 into 2, 4i minus 3 minus 3 3 are 9, 9i equal to 10 minus 3, the value plus 4, the value is 13. 13 I. So the value answer is 7 minus 13 I. Then we move to fourth solution. Is it W? So is it W equal to, is it value is 5 minus 2I into W value is minus 1 plus 3I. That's equal to, so 5 into minus 1 value is minus 5. 5 into 3 plus 15I minus into minus plus 2I minus into plus minus 2 3s are 6 I square. That's equal to minus 5 plus 15I plus 2I minus 6 into I square, the value is minus 1. Minus 1 equal to minus 5 plus 15I plus 2I minus into minus plus 6. That's equal to 6 minus 5, the value is 1 plus 17I. So the answer is 1 plus 17I. Then fifth solution. So Z square plus 2ZW plus W square. So Z square plus 2ZW plus W square equal to, you can write Z plus W the whole square. This is the formula. A plus B the whole square formula. A square plus B square plus 2AB. Have to apply that formula here. So Z plus W the whole square equal to, Z value is 5 minus 2I plus W value is minus 1 plus 3I, the whole square, equal to 5 minus 2I minus 1 plus 3I, the whole square. That's equal to 5 minus 1, the value is 4 plus I, the whole square. That's equal to A plus B the whole square formula. So 4 plus I the whole square. How can we write? 4 square A square plus B square plus 2AB. That's equal to 4 square, the value is 16 plus I square, the value is minus 1 plus 2 4s are 8 I. That's equal to 16 minus 1 plus 8I. That's equal to 16 minus 1, the value is 15 plus 8I. So this is the answer for the fifth solution. Sixth solution, Z plus W the whole square. Z plus W the whole square equal to, we can apply the value here. Z value 5 minus 2I plus W value minus 1 plus 3I the whole square equal to 5 minus 2I minus 1 plus 3I the whole square equal 5 minus 1, the value is 4 plus I the whole square. That's equal to, so apply the formula A plus B the whole square formula. A plus B the whole square equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. This is the formula. I have to apply the formula here. So 14 square plus I square plus 2 into 4 into I. 4 square, the value is 16 minus 1 plus 8I. So that's equal to 15 plus 8I. So this is the answer. Second question, given the complex number is this equal to 2 plus 3I, represents the complex numbers
40
in organs diagram. So first one, Z comma I Z and Z plus I Z. So we find solution. First we find Z, then I Z, and then Z plus I Z. So Z value already given. So 2 plus 3I. So I Z equal to I into 2 plus 3I. That's equal to, multiply this I inside. So 2I plus 3I square. That's equal to 2I minus I square, the value is minus 1. So minus 3. So this is for I Z. That's equal to minus 3 plus 2I. First you have to write the real part, then you have to write the imaginary part. This is I Z. So next we find Z plus I Z equal to, Z value is 2 plus 3I plus I into Z value 2 plus 3I. That's equal to 2 plus 3I plus, multiply this I inside. So 2I plus 3I square. That's equal to 2 plus 3I plus 2I plus minus 3. Because I square value is minus 1. That's equal to 2 minus 3, the value is minus 1 plus 5I. So these are the values for Z value, I Z value and Z plus I Z value. So now we can plot the points. Have to draw the organ diagram. So inside we can write the answers for I Z equal to minus 3 plus 2I and Z plus I Z, the value is minus 1 plus 5I. You can plot the graph. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus minus 4, minus 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is real part and this side is imaginary part. Now we can plot the points. So z equal to 2 plus 3i. 2 in the real part and 3 in the imaginary part. So 2, here 3. So 2 plus 3i. So next is I is the value is minus 3 plus 2y. Minus 3 in the real part. So minus 3 here. 2 in the imaginary part. So this place. So 3 minus 3 comma plus 2i. Next one minus 1 plus 5i. Minus 1 here and plus 5i. 5 here. Minus 1 plus 5i. So now we can join the lines. So this is the organ diagram. We have to find the values and plot the points. Next we move to the second question. Second subdivision. Z comma minus I z and z minus I z. The same as the previous problem. We have to find the values. Okay. So solution. So already z value is given. Z equal to 2 plus 3i. Then we have to find minus I z. So minus I z equal to minus I into z value 2 plus 3i equal to multiply this value. So minus 2i minus 3i square, that's equal to minus 2i minus 3 into I square value is minus 1. That's equal to minus 2i minus the minus plus 3. That's equal to 3 minus 2i. This is minus I z value. Next we have to find z minus I z equal to z value is 2 plus 3i minus I into z value 2 plus 3i. That's equal to 2 plus 3i minus 2i minus into plus minus 3i square. That's equal to 2 plus 3i minus 2i minus 3 into minus 1 equal to 2 plus 3i minus 2i minus the minus plus 3 equal to 2 plus 3 value is 5. 5 plus 3 minus 2 the value is 1. So 5 plus 5. So this is z minus I z value. You can write in the side and you can draw the organ diagram. So minus I z value is minus 3 minus 2i. Z minus I z equal to 5 plus I. We can draw the organ diagram. So 0, this is real part and this is imaginary part. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we can plot the points. So 2 plus 3i. So 2 in the real part, imaginary part the value is 3. So 2, 3 here. So 2 plus 3i. So 3 minus 2i, 3 in the real part and minus 2 in the imaginary part. So 3 here, minus 2 value is here. So 3 minus 2i. Next 5 plus I. 5 value is in the real part and 1 value in the imaginary part here. So 5 and 1 is here. So 5, 1. 5 plus I. So now we can draw the lines. So this is the organ diagram. Next we go to the third question. Third question, find the values of the real numbers x and y if the complex numbers minus I into x minus 2 minus I into y plus 2I plus 5 and 2x plus minus 1 minus 2I y plus 3 plus 2I are equal. Solution. So find the values of the real numbers x and y. You have to find the x and y value. The two complex number values are given and z1 is equal to z2. Okay. So first we can take the value of z1. z1 equal to 3 minus I into x minus 2 minus I into y plus 2I plus 5. So that's equal to multiply the x term inside. So 3x minus ix minus 2y minus to minus plus plus iy plus 2I plus 5. That's equal to, we can combine the real part. So 3x minus 2y plus 5 plus I into minus x, so I into minus x plus y plus 2. So this is z1. Next we find z2, that's equal to 2x plus minus 1 plus 2I into y plus 3 plus 2I. That's equal to 2x minus y plus y into 2I. So 2y I plus 3 plus 2I. We can combine the real part and imaginary part separately. So 2x minus y plus 3 into plus I into 2y plus 2. z1 is equal to z2. So I have to equate z1 and z2. So 3x minus 2y plus 5 plus I into minus x plus y plus 2 is equal to 2x minus y plus 3 plus I into 2y plus 2. Then equating real part and imaginary part. So first we can equate the real part. 3x minus 2y plus y equal to 2x minus y plus 3. So 3x minus 2y minus 2x plus y is equal to 3 minus 5. So 3x minus 2x, the value is 1. So x minus 2 plus 1, the value is minus y. That's equal to 3 minus 5, the value is minus 2. Take this as equation 1. Then we have to equate the imaginary part. So minus x plus y plus 2 equal to 2y plus 2. Minus x plus y minus 2y equal to 2 minus 2. So minus x minus 1 minus 2, the value is minus 1. So minus y equal to 0. Take this as equation 2. Then have to solve both this equation and find x and y value. So take equation 1. So x minus y equal to minus 2. Equation 2. Minus x minus y is equal to 0. So you can cancel this value. So x minus x, the value is 0. So minus y minus y, the value is minus 2y equal to minus 2. So y is equal to minus 2 divided by minus 2. So y is equal to, the value is 1. We can cancel both this value, the value is 1. We can substitute this y is equal to 1 in equation 1. In any equation you can substitute. So substitute y is equal to 1 in equation 2. So equation 2, minus x minus y is equal to 0. So minus x minus 1, y value is 1 equal to 0. So minus x equal to, we change the side, changes to minus, changes to plus. So 1, x equal to minus 1. So the answer is x equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 1. So this is the answer.